And sometimes I feel like the best gift is to allow themselves to not be comfortable and perfect in front of other people. So with that in mind, we're gonna try something we've never done as a band before.
I don't know what he's talking about. Comfortable and perfect every time.
Don't laugh at us yet. Wait till we start.
I actually think now's a great time to start laughing. Tropical drink night. Oh, can you pass this to Coach? Okay, thank you.
I am now Adam. And we've lost control completely.
I did. Okay, now, gatherers at home, gatherers live, to us, and we've practiced this a handful of times. This does not fucking sound good. But we're gonna do our best for you, okay? All right.
Our best is not great.
All right, are you ready? No. Are you not ready? No, okay.
You liked it in front of Alex's face.
You sit different than Alex's.
Oh gosh. Can we hear it for Riley, who is making an adjustment so that the microphone does not go in front of my face? As much as I might have liked to hide behind it. That'd be great. Oh, that's nice. Okay, you people ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey there, Juna. I know it's been a long time now. I thought I'd stop on by. I've been driving around this town for the past 2 hours now. Thought I'd say I miss you, babe. Let's talk a little while. And Juna, please, you feel like home, and can't you see me trying? I believe you and I can make it through this whole cruel world. Alright, alright. Juna, please come out tonight. I went down to the docks for your daddy works. Took me out for whiskey and a beer. After about 5 too many, he said, boy, I let the best things in my life slip on through. What I gotta do to kick your ass into gear? And Juna, please, you feel like home, and can't you see me trying? And I believe that you and I can make it through this whole cruel world. Alright, alright. Juna, please come out. Can't you see me? Motor running, standing here in the headlights. We can ride around the corner, or we can drive till we run out of road, or we run out of night. I believe you and I were meant to be together. I don't believe in much these days. But when I'm with you, it's quiet inside my head. It's the only time I really know it's gonna be okay. And Juna, please. Juna, please. You feel like home, and can you see me trying? I believe that you and I can make it through this whole cool world, alright.